Hello Sagittarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your monthly love prediction for the month of September 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Also, before I start the reading, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Looking at your monthly predictions, now this is divided into three parts for people below the age of 21, 21 to 28 and 28 and above. Looking at the cards for people below the age of 21, you come out as the Emperor, very stubborn, very structured, someone who someone who lays the foundation and someone who wants to start something new. However, I could see that there is some sort of a beginning in your person's life in terms of pentacles, in terms of his money, maybe starting a new job, maybe starting a new work life, work business, anything. And this could keep them really occupied, and you might not feel very satisfied in your relationship as of now. However, by the end of the month, I see love regains, and there's a lot of love and abundance in your relationship, but not as of now. But right now, this is something that you will see towards the month end, and things will come back to you. You and your person both are really committed to each other, but things will come back to you. An advice from romance angels is financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Exactly. And if there is an answer that you are seeking within the next few months. For people between the age of 21 to 28, King of Swords, you really want to be very logical and understand things and do whatever is right in the right practical sense. However, your person feels like starting afresh. They really miss you. They want to get back to you. They really miss the emotional side of you, Sagittarius, and they really want you to be there for them. They really want you to show your watery, your emotional side to them. However, at the end of the thing, I see that your emotions are playing a very big role. You may or may not be seeing the correct picture of a situation. Whatever you are seeing or whatever you are perceiving may not exactly be what you have to. There might be a sense of deception, not negatively, could also be something that you're not able to understand, but you cannot deny the attraction that you have towards them. The advice is chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. And you're ready. So I think if this is someone, if this is you trying to stop your emotional side towards this relationship, then it doesn't make sense, because whatever you think will actually play a very big role in your love life this month. So think positive, think good thoughts, and give it a chance. Give it a chance, Sagittarius. For people who are above the age of 28, you want to offer your cup of love to someone, deep spiritual love. You want to ask them out, you want to you want to propose to them. However, I see in your person's life there is some sort of a reconciliation with their ex, with someone from their past, a person returning into their life from their past, and this could be someone who they would happily move towards. End of the month, I see some sort of a disappointment in your love situation. This could be because this person moved away to their ex, and you had just sort of released your past for this person, and then they moved away to their ex. So Sagittarius, again, even in the guidance card, I get the same thing. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. This could also be you. This could also be that as soon as you try giving a commitment of love, someone returns into your life and you feel very distracted and confused in your love life, and you don't know what sort of a decision you want to take. And the advice for you is, if you believe, this is the answer if you're seeking an answer to any of your questions. So Sagittarius, this is your monthly love prediction. Please let me know how you find it. Please comment if this resonates with you, and until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.